Hey, what up, everyone? Well, to be really honest with you, I've not thought much about it, but I'm basically creating this video only for my 41 subscribers, right? And there is a reason why I wanted to create this video, basically to appreciate you all, you guys. I will tell you what, a lot of stuff happened, like in the time that I began till now, right? To tell you a bit, in July 2025, I dropped out of college. I never talked about it before, never thought I would need to. But again, like a lot of things happen in the beginning of this year. I used to use like this phone, right? um well, it was like a $100 phone I bought 5 years ago. And there is a lot of stories, like about this phone when I used to take it in college or whatever. But we are not gonna go with that. And now I have, like an iPhone 15, right? It's like kind of really crazy, but like, yeah, basically, like, I wanted to really like appreciate you all for like joining in, watching the videos, even if you do not, like, I still appreciate you subscribing. Because look, the thing is, like, the thing that happened this year was not really new, like, it happened with me years before, right? Almost every single year, right? There's nothing new about it. But there is something, right? I mean, like, you guys joined in, and I don't know what your intention was, but it still means a lot, right? I mean, like, having 41 people by your side, out of which one is me. But like, having 40 people by your side is pretty cool, um and yeah, like, I wanted to talk about that. Plus, I wanted to talk about something really important. I know, like, a lot of you guys are probably right now not making much money, probably stuck at zero. But the thing is, like, right now I'm in a situation where I cannot really talk about it. But like, I want to escape this thing, right? Not like Matrix or some superficial thing, but like, it's just something that I really wouldn't want to talk about. But like, like, to escape that, I basically need money, which is why, like, I'm creating this content for, like, high ticket coaches. And all of my videos are really highly, like, targeted for my ICP, um, to book calls to make money. But like, I want to escape this thing, right? I think, bro, like, I don't really think, but like, I know that, like, basically, like, these chains from, like, which are basically bounding me to create a certain specific type of content for certain specific type of people. I will broaden it, right? I will actually create content on something that I talk about, something that I like to talk about, right? And yeah, I mean, like, so I would say, like, if you want to subscribe, or like you're already a subscriber, but like, if you want to unsubscribe, really cool, you can still watch with, like, without subscribing or whatever. But like, if you do, like, it's just, I don't know, subconsciously it does help. But yeah, and like, I never thought I would be creating a video like this, because like, it's not me, right? I don't really like to talk a lot about myself. But yeah, here we are, right? So, and like, a quick thing, tell me, like, about how you guys are doing and all of these things. But yeah, like, there is no hidden motive. If you watch it, cool. If not, still cool. But yeah, like, I started like 3 years ago, and I was 16 at that point. And basically, like, um I had this phone, right? And my laptop's camera wouldn't work. And I had like different things, like, even if I booked a call at that time, I didn't know like how I was gonna take it, because like, there was no way. So I would use my mom's phone, like, as a webcam to take call, right? And I did that once. And like, the camera angle was like really different. And it was like, that guy, like, he said, like, where are you looking at, like, just out of curiosity. And I replied, like, I explained to him the, like, kind of a bit of situation, like, like, that webcam is there and laptop is on my lap and whatever, right? and and yeah, like, I just wanted to create a video just for that, to really thank you, appreciate you. I don't really, like, I never thought I would create a video like this. But still, like, at some point we will be having like 100 million subs or whatever, right? Maybe even a lot more than that. But like, yeah, like, you all guys, I do really appreciate it a lot. If you got any questions, just, like, send me a quick DM on Instagram. If you want to follow, you can, right? I'm not really forcing you. But again,